You may remember from Bio 151 discussing the pituitary gland because it was part of the brain. It's hanging bottom of the brain, and you may remember that it's surrounded by the sella turcica, which is part of the sphenoid bone in the base of the skull. I hope memories are rushing back for you. It's sometimes called the hypophysis. Right? That's another word for pituitary gland. And it's really two different glands, the anterior pituitary and the posterior pituitary. These are sometimes called the adenohypophysis and the neurohypophysis. And if you look at a picture here, you can see your adenohypophysis and neurohypophysis here and here, right? The posterior pituitary or neurohypophysis is full of axons coming down from the hypothalamus that are delivering those hormones that we talked about in the last video, antidiuretic hormone and oxytocin, which are produced in the hypothalamus and stored and released down here. So it has sort of a grainy appearance. The anterior pituitary gland is much more cellular because it produces a whole lot of different hormones, whereas the posterior pituitary produces nothing. It just stores and releases hormones from the hypothalamus. The anterior pituitary produces a great number of different hormones, and the pituitary gland is connected to the hypothalamus by the infundibulum, right, which is this stalk right here. So if you recall from past videos, pituitary gland, the anterior pituitary specifically, works with the hypothalamus to kind of run the rest of the endocrine system, right? The anterior pituitary is like our Darth Vader. It gives orders to other glands and tells them when to secrete their hormones. But it is controlled by the hypothalamus, which is our Emperor Palpatine, right? Whispering into the ear of the anterior pituitary. So we end up getting these big, long cascades of hormone reactions where you start with something produced by the hypothalamus that usually has releasing hormone in the name that targets the anterior pituitary, will cause it to produce something, which will then target a gland, which will cause that gland to produce its hormone, which will then target an organ and cause a change. Well, here's an example of this. So one hormone produced by your anterior pituitary is thyroid-stimulating hormone. Now, you may be able to guess from the name thyroid-stimulating hormone which organ it targets. I'm waiting. Yes, it's the thyroid, right? So thyroid-stimulating hormone targets the thyroid, causes it to produce thyroid hormone, or thyroxine, which then targets a lot of other cells in your body and causes them to crank up your metabolism. Right? But it only is produced, thyroid-stimulating hormone is only produced when the hypothalamus produces something called thyrotropin-releasing hormone, which targets the anterior pituitary. Now, tropin means it targets something. So the thyrotropin-releasing hormone is going to cause the release of a thyrotropin, something that targets the thyroid. Well, this, TSH, or thyroid-stimulating hormone, is a thyrotropin. So the hypothalamus produces TRH, thyrotropin-releasing hormone, that targets the anterior pituitary. The anterior pituitary, in response, produces its thyrotropin, right, which is thyroid-stimulating hormone, which then stimulates the thyroid to produce thyroxine, or thyroid hormone, which then targets the cells of your body and cranks up their metabolism. And you're going to see this same kind of cascade over and over and over again, and it's going to feel complicated and it's going to feel difficult to memorize. But please remember, it always starts, always, at the hypothalamus, which is going to produce a hormone that probably has like blank releasing hormone in the name. And that's always going to target the anterior pituitary, which is going to produce something that very well may have blank stimulating hormone in the name. And that's going to target whatever, the blank it's stimulating. So while these are complicated cascades, and while there are a number of hormones and organs for you to learn, and so this is not easy, but they follow the same essential pattern. So here's another one. The anterior pituitary, in response to the hypothalamus producing corticotropin-releasing hormone, the anterior pituitary will produce adrenocorticotropic hormone. And that's a long word, adrenocorticotropic hormone. Well, I guess that's 2 words, but 8 syllables in that first word, adrenocorticotropic, right? But it tells you exactly what it does. Adreno means adrenal gland, right? Well, we said the adrenal glands, two glands, the medulla and the cortex. Well, adrenocortical, we're talking about the adrenal cortex. And tropic just means it targets the adrenocortical, right? So adrenocorticotropic just means hormone that targets the adrenal cortex. Cool with that? So hypothalamus produces corticotropin-releasing hormone, causes the anterior pituitary to secrete adrenocorticotropic hormone, or ACTH, which will target the adrenal cortex and cause it to produce some steroid hormones like cortisol that are usually kind of long-term stress hormones that have to do with glucose metabolism that we'll talk about in a bit. Yet another example of one of these long cascades has to do with the reproductive system. So your hypothalamus produces gonadotropin releasing hormone. Remember, if you see releasing hormone, it came from the hypothalamus. These always start with the hypothalamus. And that hormone, that releasing hormone produced by the hypothalamus, always targets the anterior pituitary, right? And gonadotropin releasing hormone is going to cause the anterior pituitary to release gonadotropins, as you might expect, right? Now, in this case, there are two gonadotropins, two different hormones that target the gonads. One is follicle stimulating hormone, and the other is going to be a luteinizing hormone. Now, we will talk about these more when we get to the reproductive system. We'll talk about them in a lot of depth about what they do. But for now, I just want you to know that they target the reproductive system and they stimulate the production of gametes, so sperm in men, eggs in females, and they produce, they cause those reproductive organs to secrete the reproductive hormones, so testosterone in males, estrogen in females. Now, a lot of you may be familiar with the pituitary gland because it also produces growth hormone. That's often the one thing we know about the pituitary gland. So it's the anterior pituitary gland specifically produces growth hormone, again, in response to a hypothalamic hormone called growth hormone releasing hormone. Hypothalamus can also produce something called growth hormone inhibiting hormone, which slows that stuff down. Growth hormone itself stimulates, as you might imagine, growth, right? Lots of cell growth, acceleration of protein synthesis. So it has a lot of target organs, but one specific target organ is the place in your bones that causes your bones to grow longer. And you may remember this from last semester, the epiphyseal plate that you have in your long bones. Right? That's one of the main target organs of growth hormone. And so if you overproduce growth hormone when you are young and still growing, before that plate has closed, it can cause you to be very, very tall. If you underproduce it, it can cause forms of dwarfism. Your anterior pituitary also produces something called prolactin. Prolactin means before milk, or like, yay, milk, I am pro-lactin. This is produced during nursing. So you may wonder why some mothers can nurse for a year or 2 years, and other mothers don't nurse at all, or not longer than a month or two. And somehow their bodies seem to know to keep producing milk or to not keep producing milk. Well, the way that they do that is the process of nursing, right? Suckling causes a release of oxytocin to release milk that's currently there, but it also causes the production of prolactin, which stimulates the production of more milk for later. So as long as the baby keeps nursing and you keep producing prolactin, theoretically you could keep producing milk for a long, long time. Now, in children, the anterior pituitary gland can also produce a hormone called melanocyte-stimulating hormone. And this is a hormone that does exactly what it sounds like, right? It stimulates melanocytes in your skin to produce extra melanin. Now, in adults, that portion of the anterior lobe is essentially gone, and so you're not really producing any MSH once you're beyond childhood. Now, this is a quick reminder that we've been talking all about the anterior pituitary gland and all of the many hormones that it produces. You also have a posterior pituitary gland, which does not produce any hormones, but it does store and release two hormones that are produced by the hypothalamus. Antidiuretic hormone, which you produce when you're dehydrated, causes you to hold on to water in your kidneys, so you have less urine, more concentrated urine. And also oxytocin, which both causes the contraction of smooth muscle, especially during labor, so it targets the myometrium of the uterus, and also it's sort of a bonding lovey-dovey hormone. Now, generally, you don't want to be producing too much of any particular hormone, and so very often they are regulated by negative feedback systems. Now, you may remember, hopefully, from last semester, what a negative feedback system is. It's a system that opposes change. So your thermostat, right? You probably have your air conditioning on and your thermostat set, let's say, 75 degrees. When it gets warmer than 75 degrees, your thermostat senses that and kicks on the air conditioning, which opposes that increase in temperature and brings you back down to 75, right? Just like in the winter, if you get too low, it clicks on the heater, opposes that drop in temperature, and raises it back up. Here we have, in these cascades, a hormone that usually has releasing in the name, produced by hypothalamus, goes through that hypophyseal portal system that we talked about that I need you to know, through this infundibulum and to the anterior pituitary, causes it to produce some sort of stimulating hormone, which will stimulate an endocrine organ, a gland, to produce its hormone, which will target cells, right? That's how that cascade works. Well, so that we don't produce too much of this stuff, whatever the final hormone is, it probably, in many of these cases, it inhibits the production of that releasing hormone by the hypothalamus. So if you have a lot of this hormone around, you don't need to be producing a lot more of this releasing hormone, right? You've already got a lot of the final hormone around. That said, if you don't have much of this around, you're no longer going to be inhibiting that releasing hormone, so you're going to produce more of it, and you're going to ultimately end up producing more of this hormone 2 at the end. So if we look at one of these from the start, we start where? Always the hypothalamus, right? And in this case, we're going to produce thyrotropin-releasing hormone in the hypothalamus, which is going to go down to the anterior pituitary, which produces thyroid-stimulating hormone, which is going to then go stimulate the thyroid, right? That thyroid is going to produce thyroid hormones, which are going to speed up your metabolism, but they're also going to go back to your hypothalamus and inhibit the production of TRH, right? Go back to your hypothalamus, through the bloodstream, slow down your production of thyrotropin-releasing hormone. Now, this is a big, scary figure that you find in your book, but I think it's great. So if you know what you're looking at, this shows you essentially every cascade that you might see. So we start off with the hypothalamus right here, and for instance, hypothalamus might produce corticotropin-releasing hormone. Well, that will go to the anterior pituitary, right, which will in turn produce adrenocorticotropic hormone, right? These are all anterior pituitary hormones, which will then target the adrenal cortex right here and cause it to produce glucocorticoids, things like cortisol, right? Long-term stress hormones. You can also follow thyrotropin-releasing hormone to the anterior pituitary to produce TSH, to stimulate the thyroid, to make thyroid hormones, etc. This is really a great figure that looks confusing at first, but once you've studied this, it's a nice review figure to make sure you have some idea of what's going on. And I'm going to expect you to know these hormones, know what glands produce them, what glands they target, what organs they target, and I'm going to expect you to be able to go through some of those big cascades. Okay, thank you for talking pituitary gland with me. In the next video, we will go through and talk about some of these other glands in more specificity, and I will talk to you then.